It's raining.
It's definitely raining.
Today started early, and we pushed our bikes out of the house and set off along the quiet roads, said hello to the cows, watched the wine harvest in action, and pedalled along these beautifully quiet roads. I overtook someone and treated ourselves to second breakfast before joining the Roger Lapebie Trail, a glorious cycle route from Sauveterre de Guyenne all the way through to Bordeaux. We went under bridges, cycled through beautiful cuttings, found Rapunzel's castle, and disappeared into a tunnel. Happily, just as I was getting worried, the lights came on. We cycled out of it, in the sunshine, then stopped for lunch in the pouring rain. Before arriving in Bordeaux, nearly 1,100 kilometres down the west of France, we celebrated with beer, and tomorrow it's on the train back to Provence for tomorrow night's rugby. Allez les Noirs! Thanks for following us on this latest little journey.